Okay, so hopefully next week we have the builder starting, and he is going to rip out all of this wall and all these windows. That tank's being moved away, and he's replacing all of these with openable windows and cladding, vertical cladding, axon cladding. And we're in the middle of having our roof changed, which started today, which is exciting. So the axon cladding is going to continue around the front here, which is currently our ensuite, and it's going to continue around to here. So all of that will be vertical cladded and replaced windows. And we're thinking that up the top section there where all that timber is, just up there, that's going to be changed to axon vertical cladding as well, to sort of make it match in a little bit. Even though the roof is actually currently not on half of the house at the moment, as you can see, and there's a big dark cloud right above the house, so that's a bit scary, but anyway, it'll be fine. So that's where we've got one tank here that hopefully we might be able to get that crane to scooch it down through the paddock, and sorry, I'm just trying to get used to this thing, scooch it down and put it next to this tank on that leveled pad. So that's currently the roof situation. So that's getting there, which is good. And that is currently the pile of rubbish from our old roof, so that's exciting. Our new fireplace, which is a Scandia something or other, and it's going to go in that fireplace there, and we're going to take all of this back to natural. So bathtub just here, nice big bathtub that we're hopefully looking at getting from Bali maybe. And then there'll be a glass panel across here, which will be our shower. Toilet will be in this corner, and then the vanity will be along here. And here are just a few inspirational pictures that we've been saving and collecting and hoping one day it might look like that. So yeah, if you want to follow along and like the videos, just click like on this one and subscribe to our channel. And yeah, we hope you join us. Thanks. Bye.